Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a mother who's pushed aside her dreams to take care of her physically challenged daughter. Kian Morgan has the details.
God not give a man nothing more than him can bear. So he give me this challenge and I asked him to just help me with my cross.
Stacey Reeves Noble lives by this mantra. She tackles life's obstacles one day at a time. 5 years ago, her life changed forever when her eldest child, Tamara Noble, was injured in a car crash.
She was like 3 years old, right? And they let her out of the hospital. So in the night, remember, I don't know, they give me her, so I think everything was okay.
Until later that night.
About 2 o'clock in the night, she said to me, say, Mommy, I don't have any foot. So I said, what you mean by you don't have any foot? And she was like, yeah, me not have no foot. And me touch her foot, she said she can't feel my hand. So I put her to stand, and I see she just drop back down. And I said, no man, this not look good. And then I wake up her daddy, and I put her up back again, and I see she drop again. So we just rush with her.
Crippled. Tamara physically and Stacey mentally. At the time, Stacey, who worked at a shipping pier, had to cast her dreams aside, as her daughter now required assistance right around the clock. Becoming her shadow meant Stacey would have to accompany her daughter everywhere, school included.
I'm the one who take her to the bathroom. I assist her at school, like that. But when it come on to her schoolwork, I walk out the class because she's supposed to be independent in that part.
But for Stacey, ensuring her daughter leads a normal life is priority.
She tell me that she want to be a surgeon, doctor, right? And, my prayer every day is like, God, even if me dead, make she achieve her goal.
Stacey says she's fueled by the fact that her daughter has accepted her reality.
Even when I'm down, she always bring me a word like, Mommy, don't worry. God will come make me walk again. And she just start sing. And I look up in my ceiling and I say, God, I know that is you send her, because only you alone know what I'm feeling right now, and listen to the song. If she can tell me don't worry, why me afraid?
She not only believes Tamara will walk again, she's certain she'll make a big impact in society. Stacey is encouraging others not to limit the possibilities and capabilities of children in a similar situation.
Talk to them about different stuff and see what they really like. Because if I wasn't talking to her, I wouldn't know what she like from what she don't like. She like contagion. She like to bend up her foot. She like to go on her, you understand, know what they like and push them in that way, like, you understand, elevate them.
With a ray of hope, I am Ken.